Okay, we're going to use the Normdist or the z-test basically for the if you got a sample. So what I've got here is I've got a population average. I mean 10.50797. That's the average. Deviation is 0.163963. So let's say this is like the holding strength of glue. So a salesman says, "Hey, look, my glue is stronger. Try it on 10 pieces." So here's the results of 10 pieces I tried. Did he make a difference? I can't tell just by looking at the numbers. So what I have to do first of all is look at this population standard deviation. Okay, I'm going to adjust that using the central limit theorem. The way I do that is that's equal to the standard deviation divided by the square root of my sample size, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Right? So this becomes my new standard deviation. It's the standard deviation of the means. Okay. Now I come in and say, well, is my average here statistically significantly greater than this average to make a difference? So the way I would do that is first I got to figure out my average. So I come up with 10.577. Okay, so then I come back to my Normdist function. I'm going to put it right here. And I want greater than, so you got to do 1 minus, because remember it goes from negative infinity to the point of interest. The Normdist, my point of interest, 10.57. My average, which is the population average. I want the standard deviation. I'm going to use the standard deviation of the means. And I want cumulative. I want 10.577 greater or greater. So I put in true. Now what that tells me is that there's a 9. Let me just copy that. And I want you to see it both ways. Let me format that. Percent. Okay, what this tells me that there's a 9.15% chance that the difference I see in the sample and what I've been running against the population, there's a 9.15% chance that this variation I'm seeing, the difference, is just random chance. So if I really thought, I'm less than 10% probability that it's not significant, so I could run a bigger sample. And that's the way I can hone in more and more on it. But that's the way you use the Normdist when you got a sample average instead of just an individual point.